Yo, what's going on, guys? You'll never guess what I just got in the mail. I got myself a new game called Chow Crown. Yes, this is a children's game. You're probably thinking, Glenn, why the fuck did you buy a clearly children's toy / game? Well, I'll tell you why. It was $5 on Amazon, and you boys got no impulse control. So now we're here. Enough blabbering, let's unbox this thing, assemble it, and get snacking. First, let's take a look at the box. The box itself looks very cool, very colorful. If I was a kid, I'd be excited seeing this box. Alright, let's open up the box. Okay, the first thing we see is a set of instructions on how to assemble the crown and how to play the game. Look at what we've got here. We've got a bag full of forks, some jewels to put in the crown, and we've got a nice big center hub. Moving on, we've got some crown ridges looking very crowny. And we've also got the silver part of the dangling arms. All that's left in the box is the main crown piece with the electronics and the yellow arms that connect to the center hub. Now let's put it together. I am a man, but I also read the instructions. Step 1 is to install the center hub. Easy. Step 2 is to get the crowny bits installed. This part actually took me a minute, I'm sad to say. On to step 3. Time to pop in those jewels. Step 4 is adjusting the head strap, which is not a chin strap, by the way. It looks like it's going to be a chin strap, but it's not. After that, I attached the metal-looking arms to the metal-looking forks, installed the yellow arms into the center hub, and snapped the metal-looking arms onto that. And with that last step, we have completed our crown. And this thing, let me tell you, it takes up a lot of space. Let me show you. When those arms are dangling, it takes up a lot of space. All we got to do now is install three AA batteries, and we got to get some food on those forks, and then we can play the game. All right, now I took some inspiration from the box on what food I should grab. So I got some, as you can see, we got some cheese, we've got some strawberries, we've got a mushroom, and I've got some garlic just for the lulz. And we're ready to go. I'm really excited to hear what the music sounds like and how much time you have to eat everything. So I'm gonna get the food on those forks and let's have some fun. Ugh, oh my god, dude, this is such a fucking pain. This is a pain in the ass. Okay, I got the strap. Okay, wait, is this tight enough? I think it's tight enough. Okay, where's the button? I can't find the button. Where's the button? Oh, it's right here. Are you guys ready? You ready? All right, let's do this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What? Oh shit! Ah! Which, I got one. I got a strawberry. I got a strawberry. Oh shit! No! Fuck! Oh no! It's actually harder. Fuck, dude! This thing's hard as hell. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm going for round 2. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Round 2. Oh no! Oh, I got the garlic. Oh. Oh fuck!
I think it's time.
Technical difficulties. I broke it. Oh, I'm still in there. Oh fuck, I ran out of time. Shit. Dude, this thing's harder. This is harder than it looks. I'll tell you what, it's harder than it looks. I gotta do this garlic. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So what have we learned from this? We've learned don't use garlic. We've learned adjust your head strap very tight or you might have some issues, bud. Cheese is good. Strawberries are also very good. Pass on the garlic. Oh my gosh. So I mean, for $5, I think you're gonna get a lot of value out of this. It could even be a great way to get your kids to eat food they wouldn't otherwise normally try to eat. My crown's still straight. Is my crown straight? All right, straighten that crown up. It's ain't amateur hour. One thing is, I don't see this game being very popular in the future, which is maybe why it's so cheap everywhere right now. Could you imagine this game in a post-COVID world? Yeah, we're all gonna eat off the same forks, and we're gonna pass around this hat, and we're all gonna num num num, on the forks. Yeah, I don't see that as happening. And that's the video. Overall, pretty cool toy, especially for $5. You should definitely go check it out if you're a little bored in quarantine. Why not? Comment down below, what kind of foods would you put on your Chow Crown? Chow Crown. Say that 5 times. Chow Crown, Chow Crown, Chow Crown, Chow Crown. If you like the video, hit the like button. Even better, hit that subscribe button, bud. We're sitting at about 120 right now. I'd like to see that number pump up a bit. All right, bud? Thank you very much. King in the castle. King in the castle. Dang. What a great video, dude. You're fucking genius, dude. What a great video. I mean, you'd have to be silly to not like this, to not like and subscribe. Oh, bye guys.